Good morning, brethren, colleagues in the hustle of trading. How are you guys doing today? It's time for our regular community service. How was your trading day yesterday? Yo guys, I was very careless, and I'll tell you how I was careless, but I got lucky. I did not know. I don't trade in news. If you've been following me for a long time, you know I don't trade in news. But for some reason, I had no idea yesterday was CPI. My guys. I was still in. Normally, what I do during the news time is that I don't trade in news, but if I'm already in a trade that is like 500 pips in my direction, I can close everything and leave. I can close everything and then leave the, leave one. I can close 80%, and leave like 20% of the position open, so that either way, even if there's slippage, 500 pips in wouldn't be bad, and at least whatever I would lose, the other profits would have made up for it. Yesterday, I did not know it was CPI. I just saw price go whoa, and luckily 20 minute direction I was in a sell. That was Nasdaq. By the time we get on the lower time frame, if I'm able to spot, I think I know where I entered that trade. I think I know where I entered the trade, which trade I was in, and I'll show you guys. I was lucky, but when things like that happen, I don't go, whoa, I was lucky and I made money. No, I allow it to hurt my feelings, because what if I was in the wrong direction? You know, I had set, because on C Trader you can set your prices to close in phases, right? So I had set for some profits to be taken at 350 pips based on the range I was seeing. Even that partial that was supposed to close at 350 pips closed at 1,600 pips. So you see how bad it would have been if it was against me. I was not, and I am still not happy about such level of carelessness. Now, why am I telling you guys this exactly? Once you do something, even if it works out well, but as long as it was not according to plan, as long as it's in one way or the other went against your trading strategy, do not celebrate it. This is the way that you will be able to enforce good habits, because what will happen is that if you celebrate it, next time you'll be expecting to have such luck again, and it will wipe you out. So please, this is the reason why I am telling you guys, what do we do on here? We share ideas and then pep talks to help trading psychology, right? And that is exactly what I am doing by sharing this information with you all. Everybody still makes mistakes. Also, I want you to use habits as an opportunity to know that other people, everyone still makes mistakes while trading. Anyone, not just anyone, everyone that trades still does something dumb one way or the other. So what am I trying to say? Whenever you do something dumb, realize that you did something dumb and try to tell yourself that you never do it again, but also at the same time don't kill yourself for it, because everybody sometimes makes a mistake. Life is all about balance. So I like to speak of things in a way that will be balanced. Good, this is it. So when I had, in part of my plan of yesterday, I had plans that if price gets here and rejects, I would enter. So I entered a sell here, right? And my stop loss was around this area, something like that, and boom, look at the jump. So yeah, I wasn't happy about that, because what if it was against me? That's the way to look at it. What are we looking at trading today? If we get price to push and close above this area, we have a good range to buy, to go. I don't know why I say buy to go up, because buying is going up or long is going up anyway. You get what I mean? What is the range inside? What is the, 350 pip range. So if we have price push down and the bullish confirmation comes right at the lowest, how did I say we trade range? We trade range by buying at the lowest and selling at the highest. So if we get price to close and maybe push out, reject, give a bullish confirmation right here, we can probably try with a little bit of with less than normal risk, because it's just a 350 pip range. Price could easily push up and then just reject back. You get what I mean? So if price, and then the price pushes down here, if one straight candle pushes down here and we get a bullish confirmation, that would have given us a clean range on the left side, then we'll be able to buy from there. If price pushes to this side, bullish confirmation buy, push down here, bullish confirmation buy. Let's do this for better zoning. If price pushes down here, bullish confirmation will buy, down here, bullish confirmation buy. Let me just ignore that side. As for sales, if we get price, where am I going to sell actually? Where am I going to sell? Okay, based on what market is doing right now, I don't know if I will sell in this area, but assuming price pushes out, fakes out bearish confirmation. Then after that bearish confirmation, it gives, bro, I will not sell in here because of this area. This area could easily be a support. You get what I'm saying? So the only way I will sell here is, let's assuming price pushes down here, pushes back up, give a bearish confirmation, then we would have a clean range on the left side, then maybe I'll be able to sell. But based on what it is right now, I would not sell in this area. Why am I telling you this? I'm sharing thought process so that in case you later see me selling in that area, you will not be like, oh, but you said you're not going to sell here. So I've given you a factor that could make me sell in that area. However, if price pushes down close below this area, I can sell, close below this area, sell, close below this area, sell, close below, bearish confirmation, sell, close below, bearish confirmation, sell. Remember that I do not trade all these zones, I just trade some of them. I don't trade more than 2 of these areas. My trading plan needs me to have different areas, different plans that could give me a trade based on what the market could or could not do. Lastly, if you don't know about confirmations, I have a playlist that says from novice to pro. You can go look it up. That will help you understand what we do on here. Lastly, thank you all for how you support. Please keep supporting, keep pushing. Let us grow this page faster than it has grown. Wish you a beautiful day trading Nasdaq. Let's go do gold. Peace out.